टू लिंगुआपॉल। जनवरी 2025 बीत चुका है और अब हम फरवरी में आ गए हैं। तो अब तो वो कर लीजिए जो आपने खुद को प्रॉमिस किया था कि नए साल में करेंगे। एक ऐसा फॉरेन लैंग्वेज सीखिए जो कि फ्यूचरिस्टिक है, हाई पेइंग है और बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी डिमांड है। एक और बात बता दूं, अभी भी बहुत लोगों को इस लैंग्वेज के बारे में पता ही नहीं है। पोर्चुगीज लैंग्वेज। पोर्चुगीज लैंग्वेज एक बहुत ही फ्यूचरिस्टिक लैंग्वेज है, यानी इसकी डिमांड बढ़ रही है और आगे आने वाले एक बहुत लंबे दौरान तक इसकी डिमांड बढ़ते ही रहेगी। तो पोर्चुगीज लैंग्वेज की हम बस सीखने की बात नहीं करेंगे, आपको सिखाएंगे भी। ये है हमारा आज का पहला लेसन पोर्चुगीज लैंग्वेज में, जिसका नाम है ओला तुदो बेम। ओला तुदो बेम। इसका मतलब है हेलो, ऑल गुड। So in this chapter we will learn how to say greetings in Portuguese. पोर्चुगीज में ग्रीटिंग्स को हम कहते हैं cumprimentos. I will write it on the screen. Cumprimentos. In Portuguese, greetings are called cumprimentos. Cumprimentos is greetings. In this chapter today, we will learn how to greet each other in Portuguese language. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to conduct a very basic conversation in Portuguese language with your Portuguese friends. So let's begin. The first word is hello. Hello is called hola in Portuguese. Hola. You can see the small accent on top of A. This indicates the extension of that particular sound. So we will say hola. Then we have hi, which is oi. Oi. So hola and oi. Then we say good morning. In Portuguese, it is bom dia. Bom dia. Now when we learn Portuguese, there are two branches or two main accents in Portuguese language. One is the European Portuguese, which is spoken in Europe in the country of Portugal. And the other is the Brazilian Portuguese, which is spoken in Brazil. So when we learn Portuguese in these lessons, we will always make sure that we understand both the accents. Let's not miss out on any of the accents, right? So in European accent, we will say bon dia, bon dia. In Brazilian accent, we will say bom dia, bom dia, bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Next up, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Good afternoon. Boa tarde. In Portugal, we will say boa tarde. In Brazil, we will say boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. That was good afternoon. Next, we have good night. Boa noite. Boa noite. Can you guess which accent is this? European or Brazilian? I will give you both the pronunciations. You have to guess which accent is European and which one is Brazilian. One is boa noite and the other one is boa noite. Boa noite. Boa noite. Tell me in the comments below which one is the Brazilian accent and which one is the European accent. Next up, we have the most common phrase of Portuguese language, most widely used. Tudo bem? Tudo bem? सबसे ज्यादा कॉमनली यूज होता है ये फ्रेज, बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है। जिस तरह से हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सब बढ़िया, ऑल गुड, और जवाब भी आता है सब बढ़िया, ऑल गुड. Similarly, in Portuguese, we have tudo bem, and the answer is tudo bem. Tudo bem. The question is tudo bem. Answer is tudo bem. So this is very commonly used. और जब आप अपने दोस्तों से मिलेंगे या अपने कलीग से मिलेंगे तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं tudo bem, और जवाब आएगा tudo bem e você, tudo bem e você, e você, e você, e का मतलब है एंड, você मतलब यू। तो जैसे हम पूछते हैं ना सब बढ़िया, और आप कैसे हैं, हम वापस भी पूछते हैं। तो इसी तरह एंड यू, ई você, e você. So if you ask someone tudo bem, so the person will reply tudo bem e você. Let's have this conversation once again. I will say the words in Portuguese and I want you to think and respond. मैं एक एक शब्द पोर्चुगीज में बोलूंगी और आपको सोच के उसका रिप्लाई देना है कि आपको पोर्चुगीज में इसका उत्तर आप कैसे दोगे। सो इफ आई से ओला, ओला, हाउ विल यू रेस्पॉन्ड? ओला। इफ आई टेल यू ओय, बन दिया, ओय, बन दिया। इफ आई से tudo bem, tudo bem, or if I say hola, bom dia, tudo bem? I think now you can respond to my questions in Portuguese. So congratulations, you can say at least a few words in Portuguese language. So that was our first lesson. I will list down all the words mentioned on the screen in the description as well, so that you can refer to them once again. If you want to learn Portuguese and get an excellent career, be it in your job, in your business, or wherever you are currently situated in, be it in India or abroad, if you want to learn Portuguese and develop an excellent career option, then you can contact Linguapol. The number is flashing on the screen. You can visit our website or drop us an email and get yourself enrolled in the upcoming course of Linguapol in Portuguese language. Thank you. That's me, Raka, from Linguapol, signing off. Chong chong.